A very big welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you another simple trading strategy, and I'll be revealing to you how the strategy works and how you can use this to make a lot of money from the crypto space. Now, if you're watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. I try as much as possible to make quality and entertaining content daily. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you will not miss out. So today, I'll be talking about the Bollinger Band trading indicator, using the Bollinger Band to trade. Now, one thing that is very important you should take note before we go right into the video is the fact that everything I say here is for educational purpose. This is not a financial expert. Please make sure you understand that everything in this tutorial works, but there are so many factors involved for you to get the best out of this trading indicator, right? And make sure you are very familiar with trading to an extent. You understand basic things like support and resistance zone, price action, trend line, using various time frames and stuff like that before you jump into the market. Do not trade with what you cannot afford to lose. Please make sure you are very wise in the market. That being said, let's head over to the tutorial where I explain to you how to trade using the Bollinger Band, which is a very simple and very easy to use indicator. Back to the Alpha Crypto channel, you're welcome. In this particular video, I'll be teaching you how to trade the Bollinger Band to make money from the Binance futures trading. Right now, you can see that I'm currently in a trade, and the strategy I use in taking this trade is the Bollinger Band strategy. Now, the Bollinger Band indicator is used to know when to buy an asset, to know when to take a profit, to know when the asset is overpriced, when it is underpriced. And the very simple strategy of using the Bollinger Band is to buy an asset when it is underpriced and sell off when it is overpriced. In other words, you can buy the market when it is oversold, and you can sell off when it is overbought. Using the Bollinger Band strategy, there are three things you need to look out for, and a very simple strategy. Now, if you see here, you're going to see that there are three lines. We have the purple, the pink, and the yellow, right? You will see that the purple, the line below, we call it the lower band. Then the one on top, the yellow, is called the upper band, and some people can call this pink one the middle band or the moving average, right? So all it simply means is that when the market is touching the one that is below, that is the lower band, then it is a signal for you to buy. It simply means this market, if you look at from this part, you will notice that this red was coming down, then it started touching the purple line, and immediately we got a reversal, and we started seeing green candle, and now it is moving up again. We get. So this is a very good indicator. If you buy somewhere around when it started touching this purple line, and you sell off now that it's touching the yellow line, which is the upper band, then you'd have taken some profit, right? So if you sell from the top when it is touching the yellow line, and you take profits when it is touching the purple line, that in the selling position, you've also made money using the Bollinger Band strategy. This is where it gets interesting. One interesting thing about the Bollinger Band is when like I said earlier, when it is on the purple line, it is an indicator that people that are selling are beginning to lose momentum, and that you can now begin to consider buying position. And one of the easy ways to consider buying position is when you begin to see this long wick form below. This is a price action, feeling that there is rejection in that area. You are seeing the long wick. It means buyers are waiting there. That is why you are seeing that long wick. And if you understand candle pattern, you could see a reversal candle around there. Then the next thing, you saw the green coming up. And this is something again you need to take cognizance of. When you are seeing a Bollinger Band and you are seeing that the price is squeezing, then you should get ready that there could be an explosion either upward or downward. So if you look at this place, you can see there was a squeeze, and the next thing, this price pumped massively up to the yellow part and it came down now, right? If you look at this place again, you see that there was a squeeze around this top, and I told you when there's a squeeze, it's that it's going to move upward or go downward, and the next thing, the price dumped right after touching the yellow line. Look at here again, you can see there's a squeeze and it came down. In this place there was a squeeze and there was a movement upward. So for every squeeze, then you should know that there's either going to be a movement upward or downward. In other words, it will either explode upward or it would explode downward. If you know how to trade very well, you can now be using the higher time frame to start figuring out the positions you want to be in the market. So the trade I took just now, I took this trade below, right? I took it when it was down in this place, and we are up 1.49%, and you can see that in my trade I'm also up 1.43%, right? 10x leverage, and this is how you use the Bollinger Band to trade. Although this looks very easy, there are so many things that one also need to put into consideration, but what I've just explained to you is the basic, because there are some times that you'll be expecting that since it has thought it's popular line, the trend downward should stop, but it will keep going. Then you need to understand the basic of support and resistance, price action, and some stuff like that. But this is just you having a clue of how the Bollinger Band strategy work. If you find this content interesting, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you will not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.